baby back ribs on the Loco Griddle. All right, here we go. We're gonna get them ribs chopped up, get them spread out. We're gonna hit them with some pepper jelly first, get it all rubbed in and everything. We're gonna hit it with some pepper, hit it with the Southern Boyz seasoning, and we're gonna brush it with the salt. Get them patted in, rubbed in good. Now they're ready for the Loco Griddle. We got the Loco Griddle set at 350 degrees. We're gonna place them on there bone side down and shut the lid. After 15 minutes, we're gonna give them a flip, get that lid closed back down for another 15 minutes. Oh man, check this out. Boy, they looking good already. We'll get them moved over on some aluminum foil, get them set in there all nice and neat. We're gonna wrap them in this aluminum foil. First, we're gonna hit them with some barbecue sauce down the middle, get them wrapped up nice and tight and pretty. We're gonna turn the Loco down to 275. We're gonna place them back on there. Now, 2.5 hours later, we're pulling them off the Loco, and guys, the rest is history. Check this out, ribs on the Loco Griddle. Oh, look at them ribs, y'all. Oh, y'all check that out. Oh, oh my goodness. It's so tender, B, I can't even pick it up. Look at that. The bone's just popping out of it. Man, that's gonna be some good eating right there. Ooh, tear me off a piece. Oh my God. Yo, that is some kind of good right there. Falling apart ribs on the Loco Griddle. It just don't get no better than that right there, y'all. Hey, learn more about the Loco Griddles at lococookers.com.